Today, I'm going to teach you how to create this kind of vertical shake glitch transition. I'll walk you through each step, giving you a complete guide so you can make it yourself with ease. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and set the bell icon to all so you never miss an update. All right, let's dive right in. Before we begin the tutorial, I'd like to introduce you to an amazing AI enhancement app called Aiarty Video Enhance. I use this website to enhance my videos all the way up to 4K quality, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So let's get started. You'll find the link to the website in the description. Click on it, and it will take you to the Aiarty Video Enhance website. Once you're there, you'll notice the app offers three main features: restore to clear voice, enhance to 4K clarity with details, and silky smooth slow motion. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the second option. Enhance to 4K clarity with detail. When you open the website, you'll see two options, a free trial and a paid version. Choose whichever one suits you, then download and install the app. Once installed, open the app and click on the plus icon to select the video you want to enhance. Before making any changes, take a look at the original video to see its current quality. On the right side of the screen, the first thing you need to do is select your hardware. I'm choosing my graphics card here. After that, you'll see different AI models you can apply to your video. Each model comes with a short description that explains its features and what kind of videos it's best suited for. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the first model. Next, choose how much you want to enhance the video. You can select from 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, or even upscale it to 4K. I'm going with 1x for this example, but feel free to pick what works best for you. Once everything is set, start the export process. Now my export finished pretty quickly because I have high-end hardware. The time it takes to export will depend on your system. The better your hardware, the faster the process. If your video is longer, or if your internet speed is slow, the export might take a bit more time. And that's it. That's how you use the Enhance to 4K clarity feature in Aiarty Video Enhance. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Open the Pinterest app. Yes, you can find this app on the Play Store. Search for Yoruichi manga panel. There you'll see many manga panels. Click on any one you like, then click on the three dots and simply download it. Using this method, you can download manga panels of any anime. Add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end. Go to the starting keyframe, zoom out, and then apply a custom graph like I'm doing. Add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end. Go to the starting keyframe, zoom out, and then apply a custom graph like I'm doing. Apply this same setting to all clips. Go to Animation and select Turbulence 2. Set its duration to 0.3 seconds. Go to Animation and select Turbulence 2. Set its duration to 0.3 seconds. Apply this animation to all clips. transition and select vertical line 2. Apply it to all clips. Go to transition and select mix. Go to effects and select shake. Adjust the values to 0%, 100%, 0%. Apply this effect to all clips. Go to effects and select Bad TV. Adjust the values to 100%, 0%. Duplicate the effect 5 times. Apply it to all clips. Go to effects and select ripples. Adjust. Twist equals 40%, speed equals 20%. Apply this to all clips. I've already uploaded the CC color grading tutorial on my channel earlier. It's in the description. After watching this video, make sure to check out the CC tutorial from there.